on, guys? Keep on the camera here. So now onto the DI. I got some new vacuums. I got these. I got a Eureka, 12 amps, and I'm going to be testing them out for you. And we're going to find some stuff, and we're going to see which vacuum cleans better. The Bissell PowerForce. And guys, remember my other video? I did a video of me taking apart my Bissell PowerForce. This is not the exact same one. I found the same exact Bissell for the same exact one last time. That other one that I did taking apart my motor, like remember the video called taking apart my Bissell vacuum motor? That one is broken. That one's got smashed. Yeah, because it kept on making weird sounds. I left it to drown overnight, and it still works, but we're gonna see which one cleans better, Eureka or Bissell. So let's get our stuff. Okay, got them already. Now let's see which one cleans better. Okay, guys, I'm gonna start with the Eureka. Here we go, guys. One got clean, now we're gonna do the Bissell. Let's see how the Bissell does. Okay, guys, I would say the Bissell cleans better because it didn't take that long to vacuum up the stuff. Okay, guys, I would say the Bissell cleans better because it didn't take that long to vacuum up the stuff. So anyway, that's the cleaning of our two vacuums that we got from the DI. Now I'm just going to wrap the cords up and call it a video. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this cleaning better tech. Hope you enjoyed the video. I think this is the first time I've done a vacuum that will clean better on camera, guys. I think it's been the first time since I've done this on camera. But hope you enjoyed this video. Bissell is the winner. Bissell cleans better. And that's the end of this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.